I don't know if you can see in the video, but this has a lot of contours and it grew kind of funky. It's a pine tree that was a standing dead pine that had been in my other build area that I plan on building on later. I cut this down a couple years ago. I don't know how long it's been dead. I don't even know if it's any good now because it's been sitting a couple years. I had originally planned to do a video with RV Outdoors on this, but now that it's looking kind of dry rotty on the end, it's this end actually, I don't know if it's worthy of doing a video on. I guess we'll find out. If I produce the video, that means the wood turned out good, but I don't honestly know that it will. And I didn't want to have them come over here for no reason at all. We can always find another log somewhere to do later. Cut a little high there, but yeah, wherever the knots are I have dips and high spots, so sanding will take care of that. So I also have that clear stuff, so any holes that are in it, I might even make sure they're holes. I got some pigment to put in there, like blue, sea blue, like the ocean, that I can do for a tabletop with a little bit of that going on. Have nice thick clear surface on it, or countertop I should say. The bark I'll have to scrape off. It's a beautiful piece of wood. Hopefully you can see all the colors and stuff in it. And it may shrink a little, but it's a pretty dry piece of wood. So this is much nicer. It should work out. Bark has to come off, obviously. But yeah, this should work out rather nicely here. Be interesting, because there's a neat little knot right here. It should be on the back side of this too. Work right here, too. think I'll keep this one as a plank. That'll be a nice plank. Now I'm going to flip this up. It's like about 6.5 inches, I think. I'll double check it. The end result will be a 5.5 inch board. Yeah, we're at 6 inches, so I got a 1/2 inch of play. Let's see here. Yeah. There we go, we're locked in real tight. I should be able to get quite a few 2x6s out of this. That's awesome. Go get it, Sage. Go get it. I just want to see how this thing's cutting. Feels pretty flat still, so I'll work with it. So this is not for this cabin build. Most likely I can deal with these slopes because I'm going to be chinking in the gaps for the Appalachian log cabin I'm going to build. And I need 6x12 beams, which it looks like I've got 6.25 by 13.25. And I've got a 6 by 13.25 down below. But these guys are 2 6x12s. Not really what I was planning on doing, but this year I was going to try and get them all cut. All the ones I've had sitting around. But anyways, yeah, not bad. They're a little wider that way, but they're exactly 12 if I remember right.